Canas, représentant la France.
Alliance, representing France. Gabriela Papadakis, Cizeron.
I was once told that walking through a doorway could cause someone to forget even the most precious memories they had. Memories of good, memories of bad, memories of love and of loss, all tucked away neatly, stored like the worn-out blankets that were kept to dress the rainy days and bad habits that happen from time to time. Or what it felt like to rest your head on a friend's shoulder that still carries with it the creases from where you last placed your heart. Just like that. Gone within a single step. So here we are, and I can vaguely and strangely trace your outline. I can remember what it felt like to hold you. I can remember what it was like to stare blindly into your eyes for what felt like an eternity. How could I forget that? I could never forget that. I could never forget you. As it stands, I found myself in that doorway again, with both feet in and your heart on my sleeve. But I can't bring myself to walk through this time. Not yet, at least. Not until I take one last look and see that it was you. That it was always you. I will find you again.
premier danseur sur glace à avoir atteint les 200 points en compétition. C'était à la Coupe de Chine en 2017. Actuel vice-champion olympique en titre.
I was once told that walking through a doorway could cause someone to forget even the most precious memories they had. Memories of good, memories of bad, memories of love and of loss, all tucked away neatly, stored like the worn-out blankets that were kept to dress the rainy days and bad habits that happen from time to time. Or what it felt like to rest your head on a friend's shoulder that still carries with it the creases from where you last placed your heart. Just like that. Gone within a single step.
The scores for Gabriela Papadakis, Guillaume Cizeron.
Gabriela et Guillaume ont obtenu un total de 74 points 69 pour le programme libre. Et un total de 133 points 55 pour le programme libre et de 222 points 24 au combiné des épreuves, ce qui les place provisoirement en première position.
Their total score is 222 points 24, which places them currently in first place.